All right, here's a fire truck I'm thinking about doing a deal on. Greenfield Fire Department. It's a fire rescue truck. Got a lot of cabinets on this side. This one would be good to put cutting torches in. Put tools in this one. Put a little welder and tools up on these shelves. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets on this side. And on the other side, it's got 1, 2, 3 cabinets. Here it's got there used to be a generator in here that ran stuff. Nice big aluminum step bumper. That's the gas tank. On the inside, it's got a place to put all kinds of tools and whatever you need, hoses, air compressor. It's got a bench to sit down on, cabinets, little table. This is where they stored their scuba diving stuff or whatever. Lots of lighting. Good thing about it, I'd probably change it to LED or something, but it's got these heavy-duty floodlights on all 4 corners. Town of Greenfield Fire Rescue. Hasn't run in a while. The guy said it needs a fuel pump or fuel pump changed out or something. I don't know what else it needs, but got oil in it. Probably doesn't need a whole lot except just to get running. It's got a nice winch on the front. This is almost the perfect height to put a vise on the front. You put a vise on the back too. It's pretty solid. Only a tiny little bit of rust, but I mean even the running boards that you step up on are really solid. The inside's in good shape. Clutch feels good. Yeah, solid old truck.